Hoazinavis is an extinct genus of ancient birds, closely related to the modern Hoatzin. Its only known species, Hoazinavis lacustris, lived approximately 22 to 24 million years ago, during the late Oligocene and early Miocene. Its remains were discovered in the Tremembé formation of São Paulo state, Brazil, a region that at the time was characterized by a tropical and subtropical climate with rivers, lakes, and humid forests. Hoazinavis was scientifically described in 2011 by the German ornithologist Gerald Mayr, the Brazilian paleontologist Herculano Alvarenga, and the French researcher Cécile Mourer-Chauviré. The fossil remains are incomplete, consisting mainly of wing and leg bones, but they show that the bird's overall appearance was very similar to the modern Hoatzin. The size of Hoazinavis was comparable to that of the living Hoatzin, with an estimated length of about 60 to 70 centimeters and a weight of around 600 to 900 grams. It was not a strong flyer, being adapted to short flights, and likely lived among trees in forested areas near bodies of water. It primarily fed on leaves, young shoots, and other plant matter, a diet characteristic also seen in its modern relative. Its digestive system was adapted to process leaves. Direct evidence about reproduction is lacking, since soft tissues are not preserved in fossils, but by comparison with the modern Hoatzin, it likely built nests on branches, laying 2 to 3 eggs. In terms of classification, Hoazinavis belonged to the order Opisthocomiformes and was closely related to the family Opisthocomidae, making it a close ancient relative of the modern Hoatzin. It did not evolve into another bird or animal, but rather represents a separate extinct lineage within the Hoatzin clade. Evolutionary continuity suggests that while Hoazinavis itself disappeared, its lineage persisted, ultimately leaving the modern Hoatzin as the only surviving member. The reasons for the extinction of Hoazinavis are not precisely known, but possible factors include climate changes, the shrinking of tropical forests, the alteration of river and lake habitats, as well as competition and predation. It is therefore considered that Hoazinavis became extinct naturally, rather than transforming into another animal. In conclusion, Hoazinavis was a leaf-eating bird of tropical forests, with weak flight ability and a lifestyle very similar to that of the modern Hoatzin. It represents an important stage in the evolutionary history of Hoatzins, and provides valuable evidence for understanding the origin of this unique modern species.